right, this is for the middle school all-state for the bass clarinet part. I'm going to do the one that's on page 42. It's in 6/8. It says take the 8th note equals 140. I'm going to play it where the dotted quarter equals 70. Alright, so for this, this part is pretty straightforward, especially with the key signature and fingerings. If you'll look at measure 24, it has the grace note from D to E. So just before that, just make sure, I would practice it without the grace note, then practice it with the grace note, and then add a couple measures. So that measure by itself, isolated, the 24 with the grace note, is what that sounds like. All right, hope this helps.